to DripServed, where the drip is always being served. So today I did something different than the Air Forces. I went for a pair of Vans, and these Vans actually were my first custom, I believe. I hit my friend up like, so you trying to buy these Vans with paint on them? He was iffy at first, but then he came through with it because I knew I'm a hype beast. I wasn't fucking up none of my sneakers. Jordans, Vans, I wasn't touching nothing, and I still don't touch them. So I like buy fresh pairs and just like design on them just to practice. But I have a lot of those. Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how it looks on hand. I'm not just gonna record it. I just want you to see how it looks like by a person. So this is the part. This is the right shoe. Hey, fuego, 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 hey, fuego. Fire, fire. I actually like the dragon a lot. Like, if I could like show you guys, I like the dragon. And then him too, he like. But apart from that, I hope you guys are staying safe. I hope you guys are wearing the mask, and I hope you guys, well, some of you guys are wearing gloves, because this is crazy what's happening in the world. And I work in retail, so it's just like a lot of customers coming in. That's why I haven't been so focused on these videos. I've been trying to just get the workload out the way, but I will try to throw more in, and I just hope you guys see the progress. I hope you guys see the development that I'm making, and I hope you guys subscribe, like to this video, comment some things. Hey, say hey on the comments. I'll hey you back, so it really doesn't matter. What can I say? That's about it, and I hope you guys stay drippy out there, cause we've been stuck in lockdown for how many months? So you gotta come with the drip. Feel me? Peace.
Yes!